Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes, and today we will be seeing how to prepare banana peel curry, or as it is called in Konkani, that is Kelya, salli, pathal, sukkaein. So this is banana peel curry, raw banana. I have used Nendran variety banana peels. Now this dish is usually served along with rice, and the ingredients are: you need 1 cup of banana peel cut into thin long pieces, 2 tablespoons of tur dal, a small piece of dambasol or brindleberry, water as required, salt to taste. For the masolu or the ground paste, you need 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated coconut, 2 to 3 red chilies or as per your spiciness level, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and water as required. For seasoning, you need oil for seasoning. I usually use coconut oil, a small spoon mustard, a small spoon urad dal, a pinch of fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon shallots, or you can even use onions which are cut into small pieces, but shallots give a better taste than onions, and 1 sprig curry leaves. So these are the ingredients that you need. As you can see that the tur dal which I have used here is only half cooked. Now we need half cooked tur dal because we need to bite into the dal when we are having the dish. For that, how to prepare a half cooked tur dal, that's what I am going to explain now. So wash and soak the tur dal in water for 15 to 30 minutes. Drain away the water and pressure cook. I usually cook the dal, even then you can get half cooked dal after pressure cooking. What I usually do is I transfer the soaked dal into the separator of a pressure cooker. Now if you do not have a separator, you can use any wide mouth bowl that will fit inside your cooker. Then you need not have to add water to the dal. Only water is added to the inside the cooker only, but not to the dal. After 1 whistle, simmer the flame and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. By this time the dal would have been half cooked. Open the cooker, and when it has cooled down, open the cooker only when the cooker has cooled down. Then some recipes skip the dal, but usually the dish will get a different taste and flavor when you add the dal. Now these are the banana peels I have used, that is Nendran variety banana peels. Now you have to cut them into small. Now these banana peels, there is an outer skin, that's green skin, that you can peel and remove the green skin of the peel. Then after that, cut into thin long pieces. Put the cut pieces in water. Now transfer the cut pieces, that is thin long pieces of the peel, into a vessel in which you are going to prepare the dish. Add water, salt and dambasol and let it cook. Once the banana peel has cooked, you have to add the cooked tur dal, that is half cooked tur dal, to it. Mix well and let it boil for 1 or 2 minutes. Then while this is going on, you can prepare the ground paste or the masolu required for the preparation of the dish. That is, you have to grind coconut, red chilies and turmeric to a smooth paste, adding water as required. Add the ground paste to the dal as well as banana peels which have been kept for cooking. Cook till the raw flavor of the masolu or the ground paste disappears. Then switch off the flame. Now you have to do the seasoning. For that, heat oil in a kadai, add mustard seeds, and when they splutter, add the urad dal. Saute till the urad dal gets a rose color. Then add fenugreek seeds. So when you add the fenugreek seeds, see that you burn them, or else the dish will have a bitter taste. Followed by fenugreek seeds, you have to add the shallots. If you are using onion pieces, you can use onion pieces also. Sort them till translucent. Then add curry leaves. Pour the seasoning over the banana peel curry. Mix well. Your banana peel curry is ready to be served. Serve the dish along with. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.